Hello. Today's session we are going to do some self-massage using the Theracane, yes, and we are going to be getting into the foot or the feet. I'm going to get into one foot and then you can go back and change and do it on the other foot. Always remember just to give yourself the pressure that feels good with you. If something bothers you, just stop and then start again. Start the video again. Move around. Maybe it's that you need to find a better position to be in. Position is very important, nice and relaxed. Here I am. I like to be in this position when I do this. You can be lower also, or you can have your foot up here as well. But here on the floor here like this, you get a really nice pressure and ability to get deep in with the Theracane. And remember, you are your body solution master, so it's you who knows how you're feeling. Okay, so let me go ahead and move to the side here a little bit so we can get a little bit of a side view. Of course, I make deeper pictures, side picture, but just for this video now, we're going to do it like that. Remember also, there's a chart here now for reflexology. Reflexology is a method that connects a lot of the points on the bottom of the foot and even the top of the foot to organs in your body, and your eyes, and your ears, and other parts, your brain, and even your muscle and your backbone and your spinal cord. Okay, talking about the spinal cord, I think that will be the first thing we will be getting into in this position. So here we are, trying to be relaxed, lower back. I'm here relaxing my lower back, relaxing my shoulders, and just feeling comfortable here. So now I'm going to go right along that edge here at the side of your foot where the big toe is, and that line there is the spine. So first we're just going to go nice and easy. Remembering to breathe. Some points going along this might be quite intense. So now we're going to go a little bit more deeper and hold. Good, and then a little more deeper and hold. And a little deeper and hold. Ooh, that's good for me. So a lot of things going on down here at the feet. We're standing on them all day long. So it's nice to give them some attention. Give them some love. Make a connection. Say thank you for working for me all the time. So nice deep pressure on that whole line. Remember, this is all your own exploration, so just play with it. Go deep as you can. Now this time we go back and forth. Let's go ahead and just wiggle it a little bit at the same time as giving pressure. And just feel around. Feel what it does. Just have some ideas and all the different things you can do. I just want you to play when you're doing, explore. Maybe do really follow me sometimes until you remember all the movements, and then you decide what you like and make your own routine, mix and match some of my other videos. Good, okay. Now let's just go ahead and get into that around the heel here, this upper part. Just pushing around. Connecting, doing it this way, you're connecting and you're really getting also all of these muscles to get activated. So you're really doing more than one thing when you're doing this self-massage. You're also strengthening your muscles and also helping them to get a better range of motion. So go ahead and go around a little bit deeper there. Ooh, this is quite intense again for me there. And now we can even go up. Now let's go ahead and go around, right around that ankle bone, wiggling. You don't want to push too much there. It's all this bony stuff. You don't want to trap a nerve or anything too much there. There's a lot of things going on there. All those muscles and ligaments and tendons are all a little bit quite small. So what you're trying to do is make them all move over themselves. Good. Okay, so let's go ahead and come back down and let's get into this core of the foot, the bottom of the foot. Ooh, now I'm kind of wiggling a little bit, just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Ooh, it's all quite intense. Center here in reflexology again, all the center is like the center of the belly. It's all the organs. So wiggle around. In this position, you're more easy to wiggle around. I have other videos where I'm pulling and making quite deep movements, but this one is kind of nice having this direction on it because you can wiggle around. You don't have to go as deep and you can get some wiggling. The other approach is actually really nice for also stretching your calf muscles at the same time as working on your deep into those points here on the bottom. Good. And now let's go around the bottom of the heel there. We're just shaking now. Wobbling and wibbling back and forth. The center there, it's good for people who have sciatica or people who don't for prevention. All of this is great just for prevention. Preventive medicine is the key. Why wait to get sick? Then you have all kinds of issues you have to deal with. Okay, and now let's see what we can do along that bottom edge. Wiggle around that bottom edge. Okay. Let's go ahead and move here. Now I can use my leg as a support. So, well, I say always just play. Try to find the position that you're comfortable with, you like. So now let's just wiggle around that top part of your foot. The top part of the bottom of the foot. Ooh. Good. All right, now let's go ahead and get right there in the top of the foot, not into the toe, but just there. And that point, this is a really good point to get into, and then pull on it, really push it in deep. hold it a couple times. As I said, we did 3 times here. And do it more. This is a really great point to get into. Good, that's 2. Ooh, that one is very interesting. Things going on there. Can wiggle it, I'm pulling, wiggle that one, I'm wiggling a little bit. Pulling is a little bit intense. Good, and now the last one. Okay, now we can go ahead and get the top of all the toes and stuff. Ooh, nice crack there. Ooh. If there's sweat on your feet, probably better to also always have a towel. Don't dry it because it would be too slippery for this technique. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into that edge here. It's a good edge too. This is the back of the neck and the brain. A couple times. Good. Now we're going to flip over here and do now the top of the foot. Trying to find a good position. It's our feet, it's so far away. It's always not so easy. Some of us don't have such good range of motion here. So that you might be here and you might be up. That's why you have the cane. You can also do it this direction from with this guy if you can't get down this low. You can't get so far. You can use the cane in this way. So just play and do things the way it's good for you, because you are your body solution master and your body is different than mine. You can always check out some of my other videos that help. One of my main goals is to get people down to this child pose or rock position, because I think it's the beginning key to help with lower chronic back pain and hip pains. For now, just wanted to do a good foot massage, and you're up. Use that cane from the other direction, okay? So now we're just going along every digit in between the 2 bones. Up and down. Nice, smooth, not too deep. Just firm, sliding motion up and down. Do that a couple times around. Good, and now we go ahead and go around this side of the ankle. Especially in here, this is a good spot here, just here in the front. Go around again. And then the heel on this side here. Always remembering to breathe, it's the key. Focusing on that connection. Good. Okay, now let's go ahead and just along the toe there, nice and soft. You don't have to do that so hard. Nice and soft. both directions. Good. Now that was a nice massage. All bottom of the feet with the Theracane, especially for you people who can't reach there so well, using that one hand. Wonderful. Oh yes, and remember, go ahead and now do the other foot. Okay, you need to have the balance of the both. It's going to help a lot when you're doing one. It helps the other somehow. The neurotransmitters and all the feedback loop just does something. And when you work on one foot, it helps the other. And when you work on the other, and it works on that. Balance is a big key to a very good and healthy and balanced body. Remember, you are your body solution master. Okay, keep it up. Do this a few times, watching the videos. See the movements you like. I like to do my massage while watching a movie. Watching a movie, getting a massage, wonderful. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. And if you want to get in touch with me, please do. I do a free 15-minute, 20-minute session to help you start in your chronic pain management. Yeah, thank you so much for coming and have a great day.